Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. So today I wanted to do a Kid Cudi inspired video called Unfuckwitable, and basically it has many meanings to this. Some of it could be spiritual and the other aspect of it could be physical, meaning you're basically untouchable. And basically being unfuckwitable is one, not letting everyone walk all over you, and two, basically knowing that your pure essence as your soul being is pure. Like when your ego is out of the way, you're perfect as you are, and basically you're unfuckwitable. When you die, no one ever really dies. Things like all that deep stuff. So yeah, I wrote a list of how to be unfuckwitable. So yeah, one is don't give a fuck. Honestly, in this world we give too many fucks. And honestly, it drains us, it holds us back, it limits us, and it keeps us from being our authentic self. So yeah, don't give a fuck, be carefree. And literally that's how all the best people make a difference. That's how new innovators come along. That's how new music is made. That's how all the greatest things in the world come along. That's how Kid Cudi was made. 2, be unique, meaning wear what you want, say what you feel, do what you want. No one can stop you except yourself. Be unlimited. Don't limit yourself. 3, own it. So don't police yourself and own all your quirky qualities, and that leads to be confident in your weirdness. So always accept your weirdness, no matter who is gonna laugh at you or whatever, because again, all the people who were ever great in history, Albert Einstein, Plato, Socrates, all these great people, they were always outcast at one point, and they weren't even congratulated until they passed. It's kind of like the quote, first they laugh, then they copy. The next one is don't compare yourself. A lot of this is holding you back from being authentically you. And honestly, to be unfuckwitable, you have to make a shield that is all about owning who you are. That's how your aura can get stronger and the strongest point. Now, the next one is make a difference. So believe it or not, being yourself and being unfuckwitable in your swag, basically you're making a difference in the world. We have too many copies as it is, so being yourself is really dope. Next one is stand up for yourself. So again, if you have something to say, if you have a cause to stand up for, speak. Clear your throat chakra. Stand on your 2 feet. Say I am here, I am blessed, you're always here for a reason, you're worthy, and be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.